EOS, guys, currently trading at $1.37 with a market cap of $1.3 billion, guys. Ranked number 45 on the list. Get this cryptocurrency: Binance, Bybit, Gate.io, Huobi Global, KuCoin, Coinbase Exchange. Pretty much it's going to be on almost every exchange. It is in the top 100, especially this one's top 50. And this cryptocurrency has a huge market cap, so it's going to be able to get in and out of this cryptocurrency. So let's check the price rating, guys. Got a B- as of July 2nd, 2019 with symmetry, and double B with stable outlook. I do prefer cryptocurrencies that do have ratings over others that don't, but it's here and there, you know, case by case. You got to look into the crypto if they don't have it. There's so many out there. There's like 19,561. It's a couple hundred a day coming out almost. If you guys want to learn more about this cryptocurrency, go to EOS.io, check out the white paper, check out the plans and the projections. Here's some of the news. Just go to Twitter. This is EOS.io for updated news. But let's get into that price prediction, guys.
Eat, sleep, trade, repeat.
Oh, stay on the page. So when it comes to crypto, guys, literally almost all cryptos today have been downtrending pretty darn hard. Like, especially stuff like this. Like, let's go to the monthly and see where EOS used to be. A high of $22, currently at $1.36. This is very painful gains. Now, a lot of people, I mean, there's probably, if you're shorting it, then you're probably doing really, really good. But many of the people who got into this cryptocurrency, you know, they were buying around here. I hope they sold up to there or shorted down. But this crypto just broke these main support lines and possibly going to be heading down to some dangerous lows. So for people who are thinking about buying the dip, it is possible, but for me, I'm going to wait, because this point right here, this 60 cents level, 70 cents level, if it hits that level, I want to not buy there, because that's where my price prediction is going to, is 60 cents. If it hits 60 cents, I'm going to wait and sit on my hands and not touch this trade, because it might break through and head down even lower, and cryptos can go very, very low. And that'd be such a painful thing for people who are buying into this now. But let's go to the we'll zoom in a little more, go to the weekly, see how it looks. And it's like you can see that these people who are doing it, either just buying these short, you know, bursts right here, or they're just getting more short positions. Because as it beat these support zones right here, and it looks like it's going to be building up, I think it's not. I think it's heading down lower down here, and even the low over here is basically like 50 cents near there. If it does that, people might be buying. It might spike up, but it might spike up because someone, you know, like a whale got in and they're going to get out because of the amount of people buying, and they might trap them in there. So for me, I'm going to be extra careful about this cryptocurrency. I don't want to get trapped in a trade, because I do prefer trading when it comes to a lot of this stuff. Basically, guys, when it comes to this cryptocurrency, just for me, I would sit and wait and see if it does not, if it breaks the 50 cents level, then yes. But if it builds up some structure, then look at entering it. For me, that's what I'm thinking this entire time. Build some structure, then look at entering, do small like dollar cost averaging entries, and then wait for it to go higher. Now, if it doesn't do that and head down lower, then I don't have to really worry because it didn't build enough structure. But you know, guys, that's my thoughts on EOS. Many cryptos are down, and they might dip even more. Just be careful out there. But just tell me what you guys' thoughts are in the comments below. Please hit to my website, AndreJMcClendon.com. If you want to learn more about trading, cryptocurrency, Metro 4 and 5, and some indicators, check out my website. Some of the economic stuff is already available. You guys can check that stuff if you want to help out your trading and stuff. But other than that, guys, that's the video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.